In this problem, given the weights of the students of a class, so find the median weight of the students. Solution. Given data is weight in kgs and number of students. So 40 to 45 kgs students are 2 members. 45 to 50 kgs students are 3 members. 50 to 55 kgs students are 8 members. Like this. First we calculate cumulative frequency. So how can calculate cumulative frequency? First take 2 as it is, next 2 plus 3 equal to 5 and 2 plus 3 plus 8 that is 13 and 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 16 19 or 19 plus 6 25 25 plus 3 28 28 plus 2 that is equal to 30. So this is the cumulative frequency. Now we take highest frequency 8. So we consider this is F and this class is median class. Okay, preceding class of the median class frequency is cumulative frequency. So this is the median class. So preceding frequency is the cumulative frequency. This is given number of students n equal to 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 that is equal to 30 and highest frequency F is 8 and lower boundary of median class is 50 to 55. So class size is 55 minus 50 that is equal to H. Next, lower boundary class L equal to lower boundary is 50 and cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class CF equal to, this is the frequency. So preceding frequency is cumulative frequency that is 5. Next, median formula L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Substitute the values in this formula and simplification we get the value is 56.2. 56.2. This is the median weight of the students in a class.